What's going on, guys? Before we get to today's session, I just wanted to show you guys, you can see I'm in my home away from home, my FPV studio slash work truck. Kind of got everything set up right now. If you follow my channel, you know a couple of weeks ago I went ahead and built a Skitzo QAVR-2 Skitzo edition, the slammed version. I was able to squeeze DJI Vista in the back, 30 by 30 diatone Mamba 722 stack. I really like the frame. It's kind of a loud frame, but it's super cool, super bright, and I wanted to do something special, namely LEDs. I thought about doing race wire, but you're kind of left with the choice of, do you want it on the top, do you want it on the bottom? Everyone's done it before, so I went ahead and tried something new. And what I did is I got, let me see if you can see it, I went ahead and mounted some of those iFlight like 5-panel LEDs. Let me try and get an angle on the frame here. Mounted it to the underside of the top plate in the front, and one each in the back. Let's see, in there you can see one on each side of the Vista. And kind of what that does is it gives you the best of both worlds. You get the LED kind of shape and look when the quad's above you, but then also when you're close to the ground, the whole frame is lit up and it kind of lights up the ground as you fly. So I'll give you a quick look. It's pretty easy. You can wire all of those LEDs to a single pad. The only difference is in Betaflight you can't address each of the 3 LEDs individually, so they'll all be the same, but you can address each LED, all 5 on each panel, separately the same. So it's pretty cool. I got it set up to warnings right now, so that's why you're going to see the green flashes. But from flying, it kind of lights up the frame. It gives it a cool underbody glow, almost like a like Fast and the Furious street racer style. I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. I think it goes with the frame. The frame's really colorful, really loud. You get you a shot from the front. You can see actually through the gap in the bottom plate, and then on the sides and the back. It just looked really good. I flew it at night the other night just to kind of get a trial, and I shot a video of that, but it didn't turn out well enough to post. So I'll try and get another shot so you guys can see what it looks like in action at night, from third person. But for right now, I will go ahead and cut to today's practice, which was power looping. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Thanks, guys.